Hi guys, this is I Foodie Girl. Today I am going to show you how to make traditional Mexican guacamole recipe. This is the best guacamole recipe as it's simple to make and uses for high quality ingredients. Pick ripe avocados for the best guacamole. All you need is avocados, onion, tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, some pepper and salt. Guacamole is meant to be easy to make and delicious. Mash the avocados. Chop cilantro into small pieces. Tomatoes. Take the limes. Now add tomatoes, cilantro, add the onion, now take the limes and squeeze it to get the lime juice. Guacamole oxidize and turn brown pretty darn quick. The lime juice helps to slow this process. One tablespoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix all ingredients until the mixture looks smooth. The most common guacamole preservation hack is wrapping the guacamole bowl to prevent oxidation. Now keep in the fridge after every serving. That's it guys, the best perfect traditional Mexican guacamole is ready. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.